can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Solana. Solana has gone up 25% over the last 1 week. Solana is up 57% over the last 1 month. Solana currently trades around $262 with a market cap of over $124 billion. We've seen Solana rally up aggressively over the last 2 weeks. We've seen Bitcoin, the king of the market, joining the party. How high can Solana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Solana breaks new all-time highs on Coinbase 2 years after the FTX collapse. Should we expect Solana to get to that $300 level, $400 level, or should we be very, very cautious? We'll take a look at the Solana US dollar price chart on a daily time frame and a weekly time frame. We'll look at Solana's performance against Ethereum, Solana's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, Solana's market cap, which currently sits around $124 billion. We saw Solana's market cap blast through the $100 billion level like it's nothing. How high will Solana go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Huge pumps in the altcoin market over the last 24 hours, over the last 1 week. We've seen the altcoin market take off. Crazy pumps on a daily time frame. Bitcoin is almost at $100,000. How high are we going to see the altcoin market go? More importantly, how high will Solana go in the coming days and coming weeks? Solana got to the $92 billion level earlier in the year. The $92 billion level represented Solana trading around the $210 region. We've seen the rise of meme coins on Solana, and right now, Solana is threatening to set new all-time highs. The last time we saw Solana trading this high was way back in 2021, and guys, in 2021, Solana briefly touched the $260 level. Right now, Solana has gotten to as high as $264, which means officially Solana has gotten to a new all-time highs. But it's not been an easy ride all the way. We saw Solana go from as low as $8 in December of 2022. Right now, Solana is up to the moon. Solana has given us a 3,200% pump from the bottom of the bear market. $1,000 invested in Solana just over 2 years ago should have returned over $32,000. But before you got that $2,000 gain with your $1,000 investment, Solana had already dumped Goblin Town aggressively by 96%. Crazy moves in the altcoin market. I always tell you guys the altcoin market is very volatile. You can see huge swings to the downside. At the same time, you can see those huge swings come back to the upside. Solana has proven that volatility is the future for these altcoins. It's not a bug. Solana went down 96%, and right now it has reclaimed back all those losses, even going to set new all-time highs. But that begs the question, are we going to continue pumping to the moon? Is Solana going to get to that $300 level or $400 level? Or maybe, just maybe, this is a bull trap? There's some early warning signs, guys. Solana's RSI has not gotten to new all-time highs. We saw the RSI pumping in March this year when Solana got to $210. But right now, Solana trades above $261 and the RSI is still sitting at the 72 region. Maybe, just maybe, we'll pump aggressively to the moon. But guys, that is a huge worrying sign. That is a bearish divergence. I will not be shocked to see a reversal for Solana, taking it below the $210 level in the coming days and coming weeks. There's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. This is the highest level of greed we have seen in the market over the last 6 months. Historically, that has been a good time to sell. Historically, that's been a good time to take some profits off the table. Guys, if you bought Solana at any point in time in the past before today, you should have been in some profit. It would be smart of you to take some profit off the table. If you go on social media, if you go on any news network, you're going to be hearing positive news. You're going to be hearing big stories about how Solana will be going to the moon, how the bull run is just starting. You don't want to believe those lies, guys. The bull run is not starting. You are not early to the bull market. You are 2 years late into the bull market. And these bull markets, they don't last long. A lot of times, retail investors always get in at the wrongest time possible. They left at the wrongest time possible when we're down in Goblin Town. They are coming back when we're pumping to the moon. But you guys on this channel, sophisticated investors, you are not going to be doing that. You're going to be selling for some sweet profit. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market is increasing. The last 24 hours have seen more than 115,000 traders getting liquidated. Solana accounted for around $19 million of that liquidation. Solana breaks all-time high on Coinbase. 2 years after FTX catastrophe, Solana prices have surged a whopping 11% on the day, returning to their all-time highs last visited 3 years ago. Very, very good time if you're holding Solana. If you're holding Solana, you have been holding through the bottom of the bear market right now to the top of the bull market. Congratulations to you. Well done, well done. Hope you have a good Christmas and a good 2024. You deserve the best. But remember, guys, take some profit off the table. The bear market is going to come. I believe 2025 is going to see a huge dump. Right now, we're hearing Solana ETF regulatory filing floods in as Gary Gensler is set to depart. Gary Gensler announced his departure on Twitter. He said he'll be leaving the SEC on the 20th of January 2024. Bitwise, VanEck, 21 Shares, and Canary Capital have recently submitted their S1 registration statement to list a spot Solana ETF in the US. This is going to be game-changing if it happens. This is going to be extraordinary for the altcoin market if it happens. Solana will be first. We're going to see other altcoins follow in. Bitwise will be competing with fellow asset managers VanEck and Canary Capital for the SEC approved Solana spot ETF. We have seen what has happened with Bitcoin after the ETF have launched. At the same time, we have seen what has happened with Ethereum after the ETFs were launched. So this ETF launch are a mixed bag. If you take a look at Solana's performance against Ethereum, is currently at a new cycle high. Bearish divergence is also showing in the chart. The RSI has not gotten to new cycle highs. We've seen the price get to new cycle highs. This is bearish, guys, for Solana against Ethereum. And I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see a huge dump to goblin town for Solana's valuation against Ethereum, maybe losing 20 to 30% of its value. It doesn't mean the US dollar pairing will dump. It just means Ethereum might probably outperform Solana in the coming days and the coming weeks. And historically, Ethereum has outperformed Solana when the market gets bearish. I will not be shocked if that happens very, very soon before the end of the year. If you take a look at Solana's performance against Bitcoin, similar story. We got to new all-time highs in 2021. We have not been able to get to new all-time highs. Solana has been distributing since December of 2023. This distribution range, we have seen Solana spend around 329 days there. We can see set new cycle highs, but will favor Solana dumping to goblin town against Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin, the king of the market, almost at the $100,000 price point. Bitcoin, king of the market, is roaring. If Bitcoin starts dumping, expect a lot of these altcoins to have huge dumps in the coming days and coming weeks. But right now, it's good times. Right now, we're singing Kumbaya. Right now, Solana's market cap has blasted above the $100 billion level like it's nothing, with the market cap even getting to as high as $124 billion. The previous all-time high for Solana's market cap in 2021 was around the $79 billion level. We consolidated there for 9 months in 2024, and right now Solana's market cap sits at $124 billion. But guys, remember, this might be a bull trap. This might be the biggest bull trap we've seen in the history of the cryptocurrency market. So I'll not be shocked if we see Solana dumping back towards the $79 billion level from Solana's price point right now, where it's trading around the $124 billion region. If Solana comes back to the previous all-time highs around the $82 billion level, that will represent a dump of around 35% for Solana. Guys, are you ready for a 35% dump in the price of Solana? Remember, the market won't go up in a straight line forever. We're going to have some dumps along the way. Maybe, just maybe, this is the final dump. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Where do you see Solana ending 2024? Do you believe we're going to pump to the moon? Maybe $300, $400? I even heard somebody talking about $1,000. What's your own price target for Solana or end this bull market? On to your thoughts about that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.